One of the things that, and I'll speak about our experiences with, on the decision to move forward with fractional services. What we found is that just in looking at just the portfolio of uncertainty in our business, right, and how to lower risk across multiple functional groups. And so we tend to take more risk in certain things like R&D or maybe even some operationally centric stuff. But the one thing that we were able to do with Authentic Brand is be able to lower the risk by knowing that we're bringing in the proper expertise who's been there, kind of done that. They've built out marketing groups, they've built out marketing strategies that work. And so our tolerance for risk across the multiple functions, this was a way to really get moving really quickly in a very low risk fashion. And that was super attractive and beneficial to us. So if the organization moving forward, like as we optimize our risk portfolio, that was the one thing that was absolutely easy to engage Authentic Brand and lower that risk.